Hey everybody, Al Norker here for KastKing, and you know, lately we've been talking a lot about how to stay organized and efficient when you go fishing. And to do that, you've got to have a great tackle management system. I've got another one here I want to share with you today. What a great bag. This is a bag that anybody can use, whether you're riding a bike, fishing from a boat, maybe just walking down to the bank. This is a bag for every angler out there, no matter where you're going fishing. Let's take a look at some of the key features. First of all, inside this bag, tons of storage space, and it's even got a divider down here so that maybe if I only loaded half full, maybe I put my lunch or some drinks in one side, the boxes aren't going to tip over because there's actually a divider inside. I love that feature right there. Now, on the outside of this bag, there's 4 more giant compartments. Each one of these compartments now will hold 3,600 size boxes. Really great way to store terminal tackle, maybe small jigs, and other small items if you like those 3,600 size boxes. In the front of this bag, great zippered compartments. In the front, there's actually over 12 internal and external zippered compartments on this bag so you can stay organized. Great feature though here in the front. Top loading, easy accessible, great for soft plastic bags, things like that, where I don't have to use any zippers at all. I just reach in, pull them right out. And here's a feature that I'd simply have to have, because a pair of pliers is something you use almost all the time when you're fishing. And we've got a compression molded safety tool holder. Has a Velcro closure, so you're never going to lose that pair of pliers, and it's always accessible even with one hand. Great feature right there. But you know, let's talk about why this bag is so strong and durable. We've used the best materials possible. This is 420 denier ripstop nylon, and it's coated with a hydrophobic coating, which means it's water resistant. Water will just beat up and slush right off of this, keeping everything inside of your bag nice and dry. So let's talk about another key feature on this bag, and that's zippers. If you're like me, you hate it when zippers fail. So we've not cheated at all on the zippers here. These are what we call self-healing zippers. So if I overload one of these compartments a little bit, and maybe I split a zipper, it's no problem. I just simply grab this nice rubber-coated loop design type zipper pull it across, close it again just like that, and I'm going to self-heal that zipper, ready to go, no harm done. Now, let's talk about some of these other features. Once again, over 12 internal and external zippered compartments. Big ones, small ones, and on the sides, these are awesome. Right here, these are mesh pockets. So when I put things in these pockets, I know what's inside. I don't have to worry about looking around for something that I really, really need. I love the mesh pockets. And you're going to find that on the back of this bag as well. In fact, the entire back of the bag is a full-length, again, self-healing zipper, mesh pocket, so I can quickly identify. Now, I didn't fill this one up because I wanted you to see something that's important here, and that is on our heavy-duty handles. Not only do they have a nice, comfortable TPR cushioned handle, but the strap, as you can see, goes all the way down this bag on both sides. It's not going to break, it's not going to wear out, and when you load this bag up, it becomes pretty heavy. It's a nice durable way to carry this bag. But again, I love the self-healing zippers. On top of this bag, you're going to love this one. Again, mesh, full-length zipper. I can put more soft plastics, but again, very easy to see where everything's located. Now let's look at something that I think is really important on the bottom. This again, compression molded bottom, slip resistant, waterproof. Set it on the bottom of your boat, maybe on the bank. You get a little bit of moisture on the bank. You're not going to get water inside your bag and mess up all your tackle. It's also great because it's slip resistant. If you put it in the back of your car or maybe in the bottom of your boat, it's not going to slide around because it does have a slip resistant finish as well. Now, this particular bag, obviously you can carry it with one hand with that nice soft padded handle, but we've also added a very durable, wide, comfortable shoulder strap. And on the back side of this shoulder strap, it is a non-slip type finish. So when you put this over your shoulder, whether you're riding a bike or just carrying it down to the dock, it's not going to slide down off your shoulder. Let's summarize some of the key features. First of all, tons of storage. Mesh zippered pockets so you can quickly identify where the most important things are. Self-healing zippers, a really durable, soft TPR type handle supported all the way around the bag for durability. I've got a shoulder strap that is slip resistant on the inside here, so it's not going to slide off your shoulder if you're riding a bike or just walking down to the bank even. And on the bottom, the compression molded bottom, really an important feature. I think you're going to love this bag. This is one that you can take just about any place. My name is Al Noriker for KastKing. Get yourself organized. I'll see you on the water real soon.